Herman Ellis knows this community inside and out.
Came to Canada at 7 and lived in Alexander Park ever since and worked in Alexander Park ever since. When are we going to be doing the next encampment run?
His community center is one of several mobilizing resources alongside the city to help people make decisions about COVID-19 vaccinations.
It brings the sort of less clinical angle to the pandemic and right to neighborhoods and right to your door, essentially, right?
The plan is to train up ambassadors who will then connect with people who still have yet to receive a COVID-19 shot.
We're simply saying, hi, I'm representing Scadding Court. I'd like to talk to you about, vaccine. Did you get it or did you not get it? Or is there anything that you'd like to know?
The strategy has been at the ready in Toronto for some time. Roughly 77% of Torontonians have received a first dose. City and health officials always knew reaching the last percentage of individuals would be tough for a variety of reasons.
These could be people who have accessibility issues and are homebound because of that, people who have anxieties with needles, or people who are anxious about big spaces and anxious about getting vaccinated.
City officials say the detailed work in partnership with community groups will be key in getting more people to roll up their sleeves.
We're literally looking at what are the buildings, what are the streets, what are the sites where vaccine uptake is lower, and bringing vaccine through mobile clinics and community outreach right there.
While this approach can take time, some advocates are hoping the process picks up speed.
We need to be ramping this up, significantly in the next few weeks to ensure we're actually getting all the people that we've missed.
Because time is critical.
With Delta, 75% is not going to cut it for herd immunity. We need to be pushing this to as close to 100% as possible.
City officials say they did know that this would likely happen at this point in the vaccine rollout, and that is why they had these partnerships put into place several months ago. Councillor Joe Cressy says they are now working with more than 150 community groups to help increase access to the vaccine so more shots can get into arms.